David Cameron, well, I'm joined here in our fabulous spot by the Gateway by Falguni Y, who advises Indians on how to get visas to come to Britain. How difficult has it been?
It has been very, very difficult. Even the straightforward visitor visa application, they're very costly. They're about £78 to do a visa application, as opposed to £53 that you get Schengen visas, and it allows access to 26 countries.
And Schengen is all the rest of the European Union?
Absolutely, yes. And the time that one has to wait to get a decision is very long. It's about 2 to 4 weeks in India, and the Schengen country can give you a decision in 2 working days straight. So it's quite torture to sort of wait for this period of time just to get the straightforward visitor visas or business visit visas, as that matter of fact.
Well, David Cameron has said today that for business people there will now be a system of getting a visa in a day.
Yes, they do have something introduced as fast track as well, but we don't see in practice to get in the appointment for fast track applications as well. So it has a lot of prerequisites that one has to go through before to qualify even for the fast track application, which kind of discourages even the business people to make an application. So we will look forward to see on, how easy will he now make for the business people to do these applications quickly, especially in a day's time, as he promised.
Do you think that it has cost Britain business?
It has, certainly. It has cost Britain business, because an average Indian would spend about £1,000 on a holiday. So if you look about 4 to 6 weeks of wait period to get a visitor visa, you're losing quite a lot on the business there, because by that time the summer, if they're going for a summer holiday up over there, then the students or the children have already lost on the summer holiday, so they lose out the business there. They might as well drop the idea of going there.
Yeah, I mean, I saw a Mumbai travel agent saying exciting European tours without Britain.
That's right, yes, absolutely. I mean, given that, when they have a tourist season which will come over in next May and June, we will be flooded with a lot of inquiries from the visitors who plan to visit. But if you kind of tell them it's going to take 4 to 6 weeks and it's a costly one up over there, they say, all right, we can just skip there. We might as well go to France or Switzerland and not to London as a destination. So they prefer, because it's faster, cheaper, and they can plan their holiday properly and they know what the outcome would be, rather than keep waiting for a decision to come through and not know whether they're going to get.
Right, let's go on to student visas now, because David Cameron has said today in the interview that he's just done with me, all students welcome from India.
Absolutely, but then you have to incentivize. The students are paying 3 times more than the students in the home country. It is costly affair for them, and if they do make a trip to the UK, they would want to get some sort of an experience before they come back to India and use their set skills in India, where Australia, Ireland and Germany as well are the people who are offering. So I think UK should offer some sort of an incentive to come back to a preferred destination for students in UK.
So although David Cameron has made some moves,
yes,
you seem to be suggesting that he needs to go a lot further.
He has to go a lot further to get back to that. It's a very attractive destination for students, but he's losing its attraction because of the policies that are put in place. And also you see in past experience, like when you had London Metropolitan Universities, imagine the plight of a student who's done the visa applications, paying such a high fee, goes all the way to the UK just to know that the license of the sponsor has got revoked. It's a very sorry state of affair for the students, and I don't think so that encourages the other aspiring students to enter the UK and study there.
Okay, Falguni Y, thank you very much indeed. Really interesting to talk to you. Thanks ever so much for coming to be with us. Well, of course, that is only part of the equation.